Is your truck experiencing rough idle, hard starts in the morning, or the engine's becoming louder over time? This could be the start of injector failure. But just because your engine runs great once you finally get it started, doesn't mean that your injectors aren't on their way out. Our XDP Remanufacture injectors ensure you're getting a quality injector that is built to last, as opposed to an off-the-shelf parts store rebuild. Each of our injectors surpass the most current design specifications, which leads to a less than 1% warranty rate. Each injector is extensively tested for leakage and opening operation, as well as nozzle flow and needle lift. Our advanced testing and precision remanufacturing process ensures you're getting the highest quality and performance injectors on the market. To find out more about the XDP Remanufactured 7.3L injectors, check out xdp.com or contact a local dealer near you.